These are in a huge knot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today we are going to cover another DIY for Christmas. I was thinking the other day, it's getting to the point where people are going to start having guests over for Christmas. So I've seen a lot of scented pine cones and I thought, what can I do with those? Now I did get a comment a couple years ago, I think, from a viewer that said I should do something with scented pine cones in a basket. So I thought about it for a little bit and I was like, I've never done that before, so let's see what I can come up with. So for this project, you're gonna need a basket. You're of course gonna need some scented pine cones. I found this little piece of greenery from a garland. I found these little berry picks. I have frosted ones and plain red berries. And then I also have this bouillon wire. Now, I think I talked about this in a few other videos. It's really cool. I will show you later. And you're gonna need some Christmas lights. Now, for this project, I suggest using Christmas lights with brown cords. And guys, you don't need more than 20 Christmas lights. So I'm going to take this basket, and what I'm gonna do is take this piece of greenery here. Now, you could use real greenery if you wanted to. I did not have a saw, so I could not cut any pine out of my trees. But I thought, you know, maybe some people don't have pine trees at their disposal. I bet your neighbor does. I'm just kidding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this greenery and kind of stand it up. I'm going to take them and sit them down in here and make sort of like a ring of lights. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do is open up these pine cones. And I'm not sure how many's in here, but there are some that got crushed. So put those ones on the bottom. And all I'm doing is just sitting these down. I am taking the Christmas lights and kind of stuffing them underneath the pine cones. And the trick is these Christmas lights are actually going to warm up the pine cones, so they will fill your house with a lot of cinnamon smell. So if you're allergic, this is not the project for you. Okay, so now we got a layer done. I'm going to go through and do another ring of lights. I'm going to start bringing in the more beautiful pine cones. Another ring of lights. So I'm actually going to take the rest of these and stuff them down in here, because you do not want wires to be showing on top of the pine cones. So there's really no wrong way to do this. Now, that's beautiful. I love that. It's Christmassy. I have these berries. I have unfrosted ones, and then I have these ones. Oh my gosh, guys, I gotta tell you, these were my favorite berries last year. I actually used them in the tree topper on my tree last year. They're nice, but I don't have any frosted pieces of garland or anything in this basket, so I think what I'm gonna do is let these go. And I'm going to bring in these red berries. Now, what you can do is, most of the time these have wire in them. You can just place these down in here. And again, do the same thing with the garland, kind of pull them up. So that's beautiful, but I want a little bit of sparkle. I want something to catch your eye. That is where this stuff comes in. Now, this is from Canterbury Gardens. It is called bouillon wire. It comes like this in like a little icicle form. But let me show you what you do. You take it, and you cut it into pieces. Oh god, that is going to be tangled in there forever now. So you hold on to the springy part of it and you just pull it. Now as you pull it, it starts to unravel the wire. So what I always do with this is I make kind of like looped bows with it, and then what you do is you take it and fold it, stick it in here, and it picks up on that light. Now I'm using the silver version for this, but it is available in gold, and I can tell you I used it in a pile of places last year. I used it in a pile of places this year, and I still have quite a bit of it, so it does last. And I think this is a nice simple project because it can actually be done within minutes before your guests arrive. Alright guys, that is my version of a scented pinecone basket. I really love how this turned out. If If you're into rustic stuff, this is definitely going to be up your alley. It was a very easy project. The materials were very inexpensive. So let me know what you think down in a comment below. If you missed the last DIY video, please go back and watch it. It is a very fun video. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas.